Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I was giving a box full of stuff from a friend of Dymond, and I thought I'd share with you and see what I got, because I don't even know. So let's see. First bag. Ooh, some kitty like pink, like an orangey pink ribbon. Quite a bit on there. Ooh, neon orange. That's cool. Ooh, neon yellow. Somebody was doing a neon thing. Neon blue. Quite a bit on there too. I mean, there's a good amount on them left. Oh, there's one more in here. And gray. Nice. Okay. And this one. We got blue crepe paper, and then a striped one. Ooh, pink tulle, little glitter. Another light pink. Some blue. I think come up some of that. Gold. Ooh, like a maroon or mauve color, looks like. Yeah, it looks like more mauve. Ooh, and black and red. We got some plastic clothespins. A little sewing kit. Thread. Sandpaper, can always use that. I mean, can always use all this. Hey, freeness is nice. North Pole. Oh. It lights up, guys. I have no idea what this is. Put this all the way. I could feel something inside this. Oh, I bet you it was like a waitress. Oh, I wonder. It must have been for like doing waitressing work. Had some pens in there. So you can stick your pens in your book or whatever. Okay, that's kind of cool. Thought maybe it was like art or something, like art brushes or something was in there. That'd have been. It's kind of cool. Let's save that. Maybe Dymond needs it. Could use that when she waitresses. All right, what else is in the box? Got some discs. Selena. I don't know if this was actually. I'll have to ask. I like Selena. What's this one? No idea. I don't know if these are. I'll keep the Selena. Alright. There. You got some of the stringer for like balloons and stuff. And we got some more crepe paper. Looks like maybe birthday party or leftovers. Something. We got pack of pens. Brand new. We always use pens. And we got some more. That. Brushes. Mini clothespins. What's this? Hanging thingy. Pom-poms. Snaps. Got another piece of sandpaper and little pieces of neon cardstock. Oh, another blue clothespin. Some sewing needles. This probably fell out of there. A glue stick. One little clothespin makeup brush. Half a glue stick. Little razor blade utility knife. And some tickets. Whole roll. Decent amount. That's cool. Hey, can't complain. There's potential in everything. I always say that. So that was a nice of Dymond's neighbor to say, hey, give this to your mom. So that was nice of her. That's goodness. And then I got friendship mail in the mail today. I'll show that here in a second. I'll stick these clothespins in. I have to think of something. I got a lot of little clothespins. Think of something. Come up with clothespins. And make something. Put these away right away. I can put them in within my reach. Look at that. Okay. Alright, I got some friendship mail in today. And it is the Art by Merlin sticker sheet, 3x7 sheets with quotes by Art by Marlene. I say all different quotes. That was on my wish list. So I got it in the mail. So thank you to the person who sent this to me. So cool. Craftomania. The craft is on. Be kind. Sometimes we break before we get it to shine. It's called the glow stick effect. That's cool. Never look back and you are headed. So you got black and white. Sorry, not sorry. You can only be beaten if you give up. Boom shakalaka. Take care of your soul. Dare you. Surrender your fear. Oh, and brown tones. It's not what you gave, but how you gave it. Give. Sorry. Repeat. Yeah, they just repeat in just a different color. So that's cool. Thank you, thank you. So, that's all I got, guys. I hope you're all doing well out there. As always, be happy, be kind, be funny, be crafty, and be nice to each other. And bye for now.